Guys, welcome back to Cookie Monster. Today I am playing Indigo Park. So, let's just get into it. So, I did play this before. Oh, now it pops up. I did play this before. I didn't get too far, so hopefully I can not finish the game, but hopefully put it together. Hopefully, like, make parts and then put it all together for one big video.
For all who journey to this newfound paradise, we welcome you. Indigo Park offers a slice of the American dream to call your own. In this place, echoes of days gone are brought back to life as a new generation captures a glimpse of the exciting potential of tomorrow. Indigo Park pays homage to the values, dreams, and unwavering truths that gave rise to our great nation. Here you embark on the journey of a lifetime, a place of creativity, joy, and fantasy, where your dreams
It's looking good so far. Well, it says I did say I have played this game, so I know some of the characters. Like, I know Rambly, Molly McCaw. There's two other ones. But Gage is going to. Finley.
Yeah, Finley's a cool character.
And then the lion guy.
Lloyd.
Ooh, wow. Chapter 1, Birds of a Feather.
Wait. Wouldn't it be Feathers of a Bird?
Isn't that like a Billie Eilish song?
What? I don't know because I don't listen to Billie Eilish.
I think so. Wazda. Yeah, Wazda. I can... Oh, wait, you can't use the...
Use
keys.
WSD.
I know. I'm saying you can't use the keys. I wanted to test it out. This is the way into the way. Hey, Lloyd. Oh. Visit an information kiosk to learn more. Alright. Wait, do I have to turn on the power? I can jump.
Hi there, and welcome to Indigo Park! The world's most innovative and engaging family fun experience! Jump into the world of your favorite character.
What?
You're our first guest in 2,920 days, 4 hours, 23 minutes, and 38 seconds. Congratulations! I'm Rambly the Raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is the most fun it can be. Just hop on over to the registration center to your left, where our friendly assistant will help you begin your adventure in the park.
My left.
Hi, I'm Rambly the Raccoon, and it's my job to make sure your experience here at Indigo Park is registered. Let me just get a good look at you. I don't seem to have your face in our guest list.
Wait. The light was on. That means you actually turn on the camera.
Did you just get plastic surgery?
Really?
Yeah.
No worries. It's Rambly Tuesday, so you qualify for a big discount on your visit. Just follow me to the main gate.
It's actually Monday.
It's actually
Wait for you
Saturday.
to see everything Indigo Park has to offer.
See, it says Saturday.
Good.
What?
That was like 2,000 days ago. I don't think it's Saturday anymore.
Wait, did you say Tuesday?
It's Monday today.
Oh, wait, no.
Hold up.
I thought
the
it
gate is open. Head on into the entryway.
Yeah, the gate's open.
Hold on. My mistake. The gate is not open.
Oh, now you realize.
Error message being sent from the gate's power unit. Lucky you! You get to be the first person to try our turn on the generator mini Rambly venture. Have fun!
Okay, I'm guessing it's here.
Ah, the the Indigo Violet Compact Power Generator. But it seems to be inoperable. Looks like it's missing a piece. Can you find it?
No, I don't want to. I'll try here.
Bro,
sensitivity is like.
can you go to settings? Controls. That's turning it up.
I know.
Yeah, see, that makes it even worse for you, dude.
Now I can turn better.
Okay, for real this time. Welcome to Indigo.
But yeah, I'll turn it down.
Well, there's a bunch of... Well, there's one part where you have to do a bunch of, like, turns and stuff.
Park.
Are you just gonna do a part of the game, or...?
I don't know. If I can do the full thing, I would. So am I a girl?
I don't think so.
No, look at my nails.
I don't know.
I think I'm a girl.
Oh, silly Rambly. Every guest needs a critter cuff. That will allow you access to reserved areas, charge payments to your room, and wear a critter cuff. I think there's some in the gift shop. Head in there and I'll get you set up. There you go, buddy. Your very own critter cuff. A new way to interact with the park that also doubles as a pedometer, heart monitor, and mood
I'm
ring.
surprised that's even still working. Wait, am I just a pair of hands?
Uh-oh, the door mysteriously locked. Why not
Yeah.
test
Oh,
out your
really?
band and save the day? Hooray! Great work, buddy. Now try entering the park, and we can start our Indigo adventure.
Just done it 2 times.
I know.
I was about to say, were you just flying? You were walking on a rock.
I have why is
What's going on? What are you doing? What are you doing?
look? Wait. Oh, my A button was down more. That's weird.
Yeah, sometimes it's like it's going in and it won't come out.
Okay, so it was like this the whole time.
What, you thought there was controls for that?
Yeah, I thought I'd put on like sticky keys or something.
Sticky.
I don't know.
Pardon our dust, buddy. Looks like the park is going through some renovations. For the inconvenience, your
Renovations,
Rambly
huh?
Tuesday discount will be 3% off. Why not celebrate this great deal with a ride on my railroad? To test your sleuthing skills, I'll let you find this one all by yourself.
Oh no. What am I ever gonna do? Wait, how did this randomly? I wonder where the train is. I don't think it's here. I love how he said, "Oh, I'll let you find this one yourself." Rambley's Railroad. 2 trains. Like, are you kidding me?
Your facial data suggests you may be a bit older than the target audience for this ride, but it's one of my favorites. Do you know why Rambly the raccoon loves Rambly's Railroad?
Because it's you?
Because I like trains.
That's so stupid. Yeah. How long is this ride, bro? Why is it so dark? Oh yeah, I stepped down.
Welcome to Rambly's Railroad. I'm Conductor Rambly.
What about those kids? They can't even see you. Those kids can't even see you. No, I mean, you stop for them too? So, oh, hi, Rambly. Molly Macaw.
Oh, look! It's Molly McCaw!
It's Molly McCaw, the greatest pilot you ever saw!
You sure are, Moll. Why, you only crashed into 6 bars this week.
I'm not crashing, Rambly. I'm barnstorming!
What's barnstorming?
It's crashing with style. It barely hurts at all. Say, those young adventurers you got along
Wait.
with you look like great pilots. Why not try your hand at flying in my ride? Rooftop races!
Admission included with your critter cast.
Whoa, what was that? What was that? I'll go back in the video and slow it down for you guys. What was that hand? What? Yo, oh. That was crazy. What's this place? We're not gonna stop. What is this place? Okay. The walls are just gone. What is that place? Oh, whatever. It looks like a character is like missing or something.
Oh, Finley!
Finley.
Come on out and greet the people!
Hi, Rambly.
Why the long face and body?
You've known me for 100 years, Rambly. I'm always long because I'm always longing for a new seashell for my collection.
Oh, Finley, you should come out of your shell.
He doesn't wear so.
How about you come into it instead? My ride, Oceanic Odyssey, will teach you all about the wonders down under the deep blue sea. It's as blue as me. I hope you'll visit.
Why are you so
Lucy
sad?
Finley.
Oceanic Odyssey currently closed for repairs.
Why are you so sad? And what they like? Are they actual mascots? Like, where are they actual ones? Is this Lloyd's place? No, what doesn't? No, wait, who's that? No, you need to stop. Like, what is this place? But, oh, we actually did stop. The ride's back up and running. Wait, so there was more than 3 characters? I mean, 4 characters? It looks like a posing stuff, like a witch stuff or something like that. Maybe that was like the hand. Okay, so we found Molly. Molly's dead. Maybe we can get that. don't think that's Finley, like actual Finley. Bye bye, Molly. Bye bye. So I guess there are more characters. That's why we passed like a coconut place, like a paradise. So, that's crazy. Isn't this? We don't have seatbelts.
Hey there, Lloyd.
Oh wow.
Do not shame me with that common folk name. I am the proud, the prestigious, the professional Lloydford L. Lion, actor extraordinaire.
Great act, Lloyd.
Of course it was. I'm the real son.
Shut up. Good roast, Rambling. You can even call that a roast.
So, what do you think? Pretty fun, right? Now you know all about my friends and Lloyd. So, where do you want to go?
I don't think he likes Lloyd, guys. That's not accurate. That's not accurate. I wouldn't be surprised if someone was actually wearing that. Yeah, where's the other characters? Whoa. Lloyd. Where do I go? Perfect thumbnail picture. One sec. Done. Thumbnail. Let's go visit Lloyd. Yeah, Lloyd. I wanna tell him how bad he is at performing. Oh, I guess I can. Where do I go? Wait, that can be my thumbnail? Or this? Wait, I like this better. One sec. I like that better. And I'll edit it after. That was a good thumbnail. What do I do now? Maybe I just go over here.
Hey, buddy, come over here. This here is an information kiosk. If there's anything around the park you want to ask me about, just stop by here and I'll ramble on about it.
Okay. Finley. The sea serpent always kind of freaked me out. I love aquariums and fish, but the sight of him always made me uneasy as a kid. Okay, wait. Rambley's talking about this, right? Oh, there's my buddy. Kind of feels like Rambley has a whole empire now, being all the main man of the Indigo and all that. What? So it's not Rambley. I feel like as a kid, Indigo used Lloyd a lot more. He was always one of my favorites. I don't like Lloyd. Okay. Well, cool. I just keep going.
Well, look at that! You're at Jetstream Junction! Oops! Looks like Jetstream Junction's being tuned up! Last I checked, there's a security office in the back of the theater. Maybe a friendly wrangler can help you get in!
Lloyd's main stage. So, we are gonna go to Lloyd. I'm gonna tell him his acting's bad. He's probably gonna get mad at me, but... Okay, what this says. Lloyd's main stage. Oh wait, main as in. Like their main. Presents the perfect performance. Lloyd Live. Is that his name, Lloyd Live, or just Lloyd? Remember! Hey Lloyd. Hey Lloyd! Your acting's bad. Yeah, that was Lloyd, your acting's bad.
Hey, buddy, I've got eyes all over the park, but I can't see anything behind the stage. If you're going back there, be careful. Your Kritikov is not yet able to resuscitate you.
What? Wait, excuse me, what? I don't know how to spell that.
Resuscitate.
What? Okay. So, the watch that's like made out of paper is gonna revive me, or might revive me. Wait, why would you tell me that? Unless something's back there gonna kill me. Like Lloyd. Guys. Oh. Nope. I gotta do this fast. Or is that kill me? He's gonna kill me, bro.
You got that part?
He was staring right at me for like a whole minute.
Wait,
Yeah.
get the key.
What's up, guys? I'm just gonna ask Gage something. Okay, guys. Oh! Who the heck was that? It might be that skunk girl. We figured out Molly's dead. Yeah, Molly's dead. We just figured out like Lloyd doesn't like play or something like that. Well, he does because he goes on stage but like flickers or something like that. We don't know where Finley is. So yeah. Wait, then why did it say birds of a feather for chapter 1? Maybe it's the story of Molly? I don't know. Because Molly's dead. So, I don't really know.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's rooftop races? It's not far from here, and it's a great warm-up before we get into the bigger rides. Just take it up at Molly's landing pad.
Okay. Yeah, so it's probably like the okay, so since we're at Molly's place, that's probably why the chapter is called that. Birds of a feather. These were at Molly's place, so. Apparently it's not letting me in. Through here? Wait. I get to play a video game. Inside a video game. Oh. What happened? Hey Rambler, I was flying through the woods, but suddenly I couldn't see a thing. Wait, you have a skunk! Salem? Looks like my smoke screen. Oh, Salem, I should have known you were behind this. You shady skunk. Let her go. Nah. So this is who the skunk was. Nah. How's about I try my new potion on her instead? I'm tired of... Molly, look out. What? What did you do to him? Meet the new and improved Molly McCaw. Now with none other than friendship, garbage stopping her from tearing you to pieces. I wonder what she really thinks of me now. Have fun finding out. What? Come on, Molly. Oh. I got her! Wait, so I did that for nothing? I mean, not for nothing. That was super fun. But... Wait, like, that's not open. So what do I have to do? Oh, we have to go to rooftop race it. Oh. Oh. Molly McCall. Wait, who is that? Wait, I didn't even see him. Okay, wait, should I go to the information kiosk or... Yeah, I'm gonna go to the information kiosk. I wanna see who that was. I can't escape. Whatever. Is there an information kiosk here? Okay, whatever.
Oh no, this is horrible. Looks like Molly crashed into the right again. Don't worry though, your pal Rambley has the repairman on speed dial.
We're sorry. The number you have dialed has been disconnected or is no longer in service.
Makes sense.
Please check the number and dial again.
Say, why don't you check out Molly's landing pad? It's not far from here, and it's a great cool down after that exhilarating ride.
Okay.
Just take a down from Molly's rooftop races.
I know where that is. We were trying to get in there for so long. And then I played a game with, then we figured out Salem. So, that's pretty cool. Somebody up there? Somebody up there? Oh, that's your room. Whee! So does blue have to be ball? Because these are blue balls. I don't know, I saw them, so. Oh. Who is that? I don't know. Wait, Molly's alive? I thought she was dead. Okay, so yellow circle. What does this bring me? You think that's safe for kids? Just like drops you. I really think that's someone. I gotta die. That's why I call it bird of a feather. Because Somalia. Oh! Red star. Remember, red star, red star. Wait, nobody was up here? Red star, green triangle. Red star, green triangle. And blue star. Red star, blue star, green triangle. Red star, blue star, green triangle. Oh, it was already on triangle. Yay! Okay. Well, now I'm scared because I figured out that Molly's not dead. Whee. Okay. Guys, it's a chase scene. I open that door, Molly's gonna come through, and I have to run back, okay? What? Come on. This side? Dang it. Wait, maybe? Was I not supposed to make that? Wait.
Ah, there you are, buddy. Wait, hold on.
No way!
Come on in, you step.
No, close the door, Ramley!
Welcome to the Ramblers Wranglers Registered Room. Here we have plenty of amenities and... okay. I can see in your facial tracking that you're scared.
Okay, I'm gonna have to blur.
Transparency is an important part of our policy here at Indigo Park, so I need to be honest about something. The park has been inactive for years. Employees stopped showing up, guests too. The mascots are I just was so excited to see a visitor, and I wanted to be sure you were given the best experience possible.
No, I get that.
But I was confined to the entrance for so long, I didn't realize just how much disrepair the park has fallen into. Wasting all of your fun time. Sorry for the inconvenience. But I have an idea. I have access to the repair documentation in my database. I just can't execute most tasks without authorization from a human user. You must have come here because the park matters to you too, right? Would you be willing to help me restore the park?
Yeah.
I can see in your facial tracking data that you aren't opposed to this. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's get this place back in business.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to blur.
Okay, welcome to the crew, Rookie Wrangler. Registered. Your first official job as one of Rambley's Wranglers, registered, is to get out of the Rambley's Wranglers registered room.
But
Head left towards the Rookie Wrangler register security room to set yourself free. Phew, kind of exhausting to say that whole spiel, but Rambley's Wranglers register is a registered trademark. That expired. Uh-oh, that Rambley's Wranglers room is only accessible by Royal Wranglers. Maybe one day you'll grow up big and strong.
what the heck? First try though is crazy. I promise, guys, I never even did that chase scene, and I did it first try. Can I not grab it? Whatever. Oh my god, finally an information kiosk. Poodle Plus? Oh, Indigo product. Retroloid. Berry. Do you think it's edible?
Whoa, where'd you get that? Brambleberries are my favorite! Oh, if only I could jump out of the screen and take a big bite. Don't eat it! Maybe I'll be able to one day! Hey, buddy, did you dig that out of the lost and found? Or was it in the trash? No surprise to guess that our park would dispose of a non-Indigo brand toy. I suppose he'd make playtime special for a child with poor taste, though. Ooh, you found my buddy Finley. You know, he's really shy. Like, too shy. Like, obnoxiously shy. But he's got a good heart. I hope you get to meet him someday. I don't get why we even have those. And why do they only make one of Lloyd? Is it because he's the loudest? I can be loud too! Where's my limited edition throwback plush? Where's Molly's? Where's Finley's? Give this mistake to a child and they'll cry. Congratulations! You found me! Don't I look adorable?
Yeah.
You, Lloyd. You, Lloyd.
That, oh my god. You know what, just put that in quotations. Ew, Lloyd. Rambly. That's amazing. Oceanic Odyssey.
Wow, you made it to Oceanic Odyssey. You're doing a great job, Rookie Wrangler.
I guess this is Finley's?
You'll find a potpourri of porpoises, pickerels, and perches as far as the eye can see. But please don't tap the glass. You never really know what is beneath the surface.
Okay. Well. Am I gonna meet Finley?
Hey, buddy. You okay? You look kind of tired. Do you need a moment? Don't worry, it's fine. I don't blame you for taking a rest after all that. Heck, I could go for a nice, relaxing defragmentation myself. But before you settle down, you up for a little survey to help us improve the park? Thanks for visiting Indigo Park. Hope
Is
all
this
your
the end?
dreams came true. If you've got some time and you're
I
out
thought it
for
was
a
gonna be
lark,
longer.
stick around for the Rambley review. I I'm here to offer my best to each valuable guest I assist. And lots of happy feedback ensures I get to exist. Let's try it. Were you satisfied with the rides? Yes or no? Were you satisfied with your guide? I sure hope so. Do you plan to come back? Will I see you again? Did your experience convince you to tell a friend about us? Did I earn your trust?
Yes.
At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. That is, if you want to keep going. Oh, idea! I know all of this isn't fair to you. It's an awful lot to ask. But here comes Rambly Review Part 2 to sell you on our task. I'm here to view and assess each valuable guest as I learn. And lots of happy feedback ensures you're gonna return. I'm so happy you rode a ride and saw the show. I'm so happy to be your guide. More than you know. So come back anytime. I'd love to see you again. In all my thousands of days, I've never had a friend like you. At least I hope I do. At Indigo Park, there is a stark contrast to everything I know this place should be. But out of the dark, you've given a spark of sunshine to this kingdom's faithful devotee. At Indigo Park, more than my remarks are mysteries. Even I don't know what we might find. But fight through the dark, and I'll be your spark of sunshine to get you out of any bind. Till all my old friends are united again, and I won't feel so left behind. Okay, I'll let you go. See you next time, buddy. Please?
I'm speechless. Indigo Park is a full passion project that we've been working on a little over a year now. This was made like a long time ago, by the way. The stories in the world that we want to create, Rambly and his friends, are very special to us. Thanks to your support. Chapter 2 is active development. Keep an eye on socials for upcoming news. No matter what happens, we enjoyed your stay. Thank you for visiting Indigo Park. Oh my God. That was amazing. One sec. Okay. Look at this. Indigo Park Chapter 2 Steam page is now live. Chapter 2 is being made as we speak. Maybe. Okay, so this content requires the base game, Indigo Park Chapter 1. Let's watch the trailer. Steam? Hello? Okay, let's look at the pictures. Molly. Rambly. Within the... What the heck? What the heck is that? Oh.
Molly was done with...
Okay, wait. Let's watch it. Okay. Rendered image footage. All is subject to change. Okay, so this might change, but this is the trailer so far. Okay, so this is still Oceanic Odyssey. So I think this is gonna be all about Finley. Wait, no, duh. What? So, first chapter, all about Molly. Surprised I did that chasing first try, though. Rambling? Is that Finley? That is crazy. One sec.
Crashing planes that didn't last. She built a better plane to fly her far and fast. And lift up Molly bid farewell to all her friends. Then she crashed again.
Wait.
Molly is gone, my only threat wiped out at last.
What the?
Her sad little hunt to feed her chicks backfired fast. Went to the front and heard that long forgotten sound. A digital rat.
So we can crouch in the second chapter now.
On the ground. Yo ho ho ho, 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 yo ho ho ho.
You actually have a sprint meter.
Good morning, sleepyhead. You sure took your sweet time with that union-required Rambley's Rookie Wrangler Rest and Relaxation Regimen.
Oh, wow. In 2026, it's 2026. I just hope that it's gonna be free. Oh my god. May 27th. That was like a couple months ago. Or basically a month ago, because it's July 6th. Oh my god. This is gonna be a good one, guys. Okay, well, that's gonna be it for this video. Comment down below if you want me to play the second chapter when it comes out. I might do it anyways. Even if this video doesn't get like a ton of views, I would still do it. This game is amazing. Okay, well, that's gonna be it. Bye.